Happy morning, dear friends. Here's yours, Dr. Rajanta. Welcome to Demystify with Ajay. Dear friends, did the entire AI world just speedrun evolution in a week? From Google's new Gemini to OpenAI's magical image tool, from Alibaba's multi-modal beast to Runway's video wizardry, this week updates are not just cool, they are historic. Let's get into the 10 craziest things that just dropped and why they matter. Dear friends, this week episode, a whirlwind of jaw-dropping AI breakthroughs that are shaping the future before our eyes. Let's dive in. The first one, OpenAI new image generation in ChatGPT. Yes, dear friends, OpenAI just supercharged ChatGPT. You can now generate high-quality images just right inside the chat. No switching apps, no extra tools, just describe what you want and watch it come alive. Users are already flooding Insta with Studio Ghibli style forest, animated style cities and surreal dreamscapes. It's creative, it's simple, and it's the future of casual image generation. Next, Google's Gemini 2.5 Pro experimental. Yes, dear friends, Google has launched its most powerful AI model, Gemini 2.5 Pro experimental. This model is topping Marina benchmarks in coding, maths and reasoning and scientific tasks. It's smarter, more accurate and has a sharper grasp of complex prompt. Think of it as a digital polymath with speed, and yet the best part is it's still experimental. Imagine what the final form could do. Next, Alibaba's Quant 2.5 Omni and QVQ-Max. Difference, Alibaba is not staying quiet either. Their Quant 2.5 Omni 7B model is built for real-time multi-modal processing. Text, audio, images and video all together. And QVQ-Max focuses on deep visual understanding from complex architectural blueprint to geometry problems. These tools are enterprise ready and push AI beyond conversation into technical analysis. Next, Ideogram 3.0, redefining design AI. Yes, dear friends, Ideogram dropped version 3.0 of their image model and its rising eyebrows. It performs giants like Imagen 3, Flux Pro 1.1 and Recraft version 3. With improved layout design, logo generation, and even stylized text rendering. It's perfect for branding, UI design, and visual storytelling. Plus, it's now open to free user. This is no longer just for pros. Next, Reve Image 1.0, the new image arena king. Difference, Reve has officially come out of sleep mode and they came swinging. Yes, their new model Reve Image 1.0 is now #1 image arena, beating Midjourney, Imagen and Recraft. It has long prompts, it renders long text and even supports natural language image editing. It's accurate, smooth and versatile, and it may just become your go-to-go image tool. Next, Microsoft's 365's new AI agent, researcher and analyst. Difference, Microsoft just added two powerful agents inside 365. A researcher that helps you generate reports by pulling from internal documents and online resources. And analyst acts like a built-in data scientist, turning spreadsheet into summarize and insights. It's like having a mini researcher team and data pro on your desktop. No meetings needed. Next, Perplexity. It is evolving into a smarter vertical search engine. Their new answer modes are optimized for shopping, travel, and content exploration, complete with images, videos, and action cards. You can even complete purchases inside the app. It's not just a search anymore, it's an experience. Okay, next, Tencent's Hunyuan T1. Yes, dear friends, Tencent has entered the high-performance AI ring with Hunyuan T1, built on a Transformer-Mamba hybrid architecture. It matches or beats GPT 4.5 and DeepSeek R1 while running 2 times faster. Imagine powerful reasoning that doesn't compromise on speed. This model is perfect for application where latency matters, like gaming, search, and voice AI. Okay, DeepSeek just updated its version 3 model. It's a 641 GB model that can still run on high-end PCs using mixture of experts with 34 billion active parameters per token. It delivers broad performance boost, and it's fully open sourced under the MIT license. That is meaning developers can tweak, build, and innovate with it freely. Next, Runway Gen 4. Yes, dear friends, video creation reimagined. Dear friends, Runway just dropped Gen 4 and it's a major leap for AI generated video. Expect smoother motion, consistent characters, and more expressive faces. It's inching closer to production level quality. A big step towards AI generated storytelling. This could soon disrupt animation, advertising, and short form video. Yes, that was 1 week in AI, dear friends. If this is the phase we are moving at, imagine where we will be in a month. The lines between creation, communication, and computation are getting blurrier and more powerful every single day. Okay, want to stay ahead of an AI curve? Hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, and follow Demystify with Ajay for weekly breakdowns, tutorials, and insights into future of AI. Until next time, keep exploring. Happy learning, dear friends.